The archive says things that don't require actions. Opposite to the active and the AchiveView, the archive holds no drops that you want to do right now or someday maybe, but drops that still seem useful to you, like recipes of your favorite muffins or cocktails you like. Also a packing list for a business trip or vacations, which look pretty similar every time. You can create some sort of a basic packing list and then only add a few more shirts or sweaters depending on the destination. Or you collect motivational quotes, or you keep a list of your favorite whiskeys, who knows. All things that are valuable or useful to you without the vibes of an active project or an idea. And there's a useful feature for your lists in Archive. You can use preset lists as a template. In this template are the weekly to buy items such as rice, vegetables, and so on. And here comes the cool thing about the template. You can copy the list into Active via the junction view and add further items spontaneously throughout the week right from the in view. And since the grocery list is now active and the processing is set to parallel, all items automatically appear in the specified by context in the next view. So why writing a shopping list or packing list every time from scratch? Or as David says, why have a thought twice unless it's a beautiful one? In this sense, create more room for beautiful thoughts.